In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Sprout Social. This is an essential skill to ensure the security of your account and keep your information safe. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your settings in Sprout Social. Begin by opening Sprout Social and then direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen. Here, you should see your initials or avatar. Clicking on this will bring up a menu where you can access various options related to your account. Once you've clicked on your initials or avatar, look for and select the option labeled Account and Settings. Then proceed by clicking on Settings. This will guide you to the main area where you can manage different aspects of your account. Now that you're within the Settings page, your next step is to access your personal settings. To do this, head over to the Personal tab, which may also be labeled as Personal Information. This section is where you can make changes to your personal details and security settings. In the Personal section, keep an eye out for the Change Password option. This is what you'll need to use to update your password to something new. It's a good practice to regularly change your password using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. When you're ready to proceed, click on Change Password. This action will prompt you to enter your current password first. It's a necessary security measure to ensure that it is indeed you who is making the change. After entering your current password, you'll be asked to type in your new password. Be sure to choose something memorable yet strong enough to prevent unauthorized access. Once you've decided on a new password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in the Confirm Password field. This step helps prevent any errors in your new password entry. Finally, after carefully entering and confirming your new password, look for the Submit or Change Password button. Clicking this will save your new password and finalize the process. With this step complete, you might need to log in again using your new password, particularly if you've been logged out as a result of the password change. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your password in Sprout Social, enhancing your account's security. Remember to keep your password confidential and update it regularly. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to subscribe for more helpful guides.